We wanted the students to have an actual experience flying in a drone park and to see the difference of flying in the actual elements. This program is actually a replication of a program that was developed between a partnership of MAAP Wing and the Center for the Enhancement in Engineering and Diversity. And last year I saw the program and wanted to replicate it in Alexandria for students. We wanted to ensure that students had the experience of flying their drones in one of the first FAA test sites in the nation. The students have learned about the device, the parts, and how the parts of the drone work to make it fly. There was an introduction to them about the science of flight. They've also learned about how this device can be used, not only for protecting from a security manner, but for commercial aspects, for environmental aspects. The use is pervasive.
These drones come as kits that the students have to put together and build, so they get some ownership, some engineering experience. We're here today at the end of the week for the students to be able to show off the drone they built, to fly it in a competition. Our industry is growing so fast due to we're starting to really see the efficiency of different operations by utilizing drones and how much safer they can be than some traditional methods, that we're growing so rapidly, and it's such an evolving industry that we really need a pipeline of folks that are motivated and interested in this industry to come up behind. And by having a STEM event like this, we can help introduce these subjects of engineering around drones to students who may just have an inkling that they might be interested in it, and maybe one day they'll come and work in our industry, bring their expertise that first started when they came to this camp, and then blossom from there. This is a wonderful break for my staff to be able to go and share some of their expertise with young people that are new to this and see the excitement in those young people's eyes, which is very rewarding for the staff, right? To be able to see that and to take a moment to kind of do something that is going to be meaningful for the future of our industry.
This program is made possible by Boeing. Boeing is a foundational funder of Virginia Tech Innovation Campus. They're also the reason of me being here to really lead the comprehensive efforts on the K-12 side to ensure that students on all grade levels have rigorous, rich experiences in STEM and engineering, but not only students, teachers and families and communities as well.